This is my drawing of Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. And today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center page and draw a large circle for the eye. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to go all the way around towards the bottom, round out that circle, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle in the center for the iris. And then an even smaller circle in the middle for the pupil. Let's fill that pupil in black. Along the top of the eye, we're just going to bring the eyelid down. So on the left, bend this up, across, and then down. Now I want to enhance that fold across the top of the eye, so we're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up, go across, and then down. Let's move down in the middle and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left. Curve the mouth coming down, across, and then up. And I'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's open up the mouth, starting back on the left. Curve this down lower in the middle, go across, and then up. Now I'm going to draw in the top row of teeth. We're going to start right in the middle, step down, add a point. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a few more teeth on either side. Coming down and up. Add another one, just pull that up underneath the mouth. Now along the bottom, we're going to add two teeth going up and then down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to go back up to the side of the brow and draw a large circle for the head. So let's start on the left side, curves around the mouth, come down and in toward the center. Now I'm just going to work our way around the right side, go up, and then tuck that in behind the brow. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. We want to leave a large gap. We start on the left, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the inside of the knees. And we'll bend the leg, coming down and then in towards the heel. Let's flatten off the bottom of the feet, going out towards the first toe. Now from here, we're going to bend the toe going up and in, and then bend that down. Let's layer two more toes in behind. From the tip, we're going to step up, go straight out, curve this up and in, and bend that down. Let's do that one more time. Going up and in. Now I want to bend the foot, coming down and then in towards the ankle. Let's separate the tip of each claw with a curve. And then going back to the ankle, let's curve the leg, going up and out towards the knee. And it'll bend the leg so it goes thicker as we come up underneath the body. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw in the horns. We're going to start on the left side of the head, then it's out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Curve the outside of the horn coming down and in. Now, on the side of the body, we're going to bring the arms going out and then down in towards the fist. So let's start on the left. Angle this down and out towards the inside of the elbows. And we'll bend the arms, coming down and in towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a small bracket. Now, on either side, we're going to add three fingers, starting underneath the thumb. We'll curve this down and up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger, coming down and up. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the hand and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, the second, and then the third. Now let's work our way around the outside of the arm. From the wrist, bend this out and up towards the elbow. Now the arm's going to get thicker and wider as you come back in towards the body. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.